Don't buy a home gadget before watching this. Most people waste money because they pick the wrong one. These are the only 5 you should consider right now. Alright, product 1. This is the Holikmi Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, and if you've got a dryer, you need to see this. Most people just clean the lint trap, right? Big mistake. This vacuum attachment is your secret weapon against buildup that's costing you energy and even causing fires. It gets deep into the vent where the real gunk hides. So, if you're tired of long drying times, higher energy bills, or just want peace of mind, this is your pick. And the price? Unbeatable. We're talking around $20, while some fancy brands charge upwards of $50 for a flimsy hose. Seriously, check the link. With a 4.6-star rating, this Holikmi kit is the best overall value for a truly clean dryer vent. Alright, up next on our budget run, we've got the Angry Mama Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner. This little gem is your secret weapon against baked-on grime, and trust me, it works. What makes this stand out? It's the ridiculously clever design. You fill this angry little lady with water and vinegar, pop her in the microwave, and let the steam do the dirty work. No more scrubbing for hours. The steam loosens everything up in minutes. Most microwave cleaners are just expensive sprays, but this is a reusable, no-chemical solution that actually gets the job done. If you hate scrubbing your microwave but also hate using harsh chemicals, this is absolutely your pick. It's the smart, easy way to keep things sparkling. And the price? You'll find this for well under $15. A fraction of what you'd pay for those single-use wipes or fancy gadget cleaners. With a 4.7-star rating, Angry Mama is our budget-friendly champion for a spotless microwave. Alright, moving on to product number 3, the 3-piece hard bristled crevice cleaning brush. If you're tired of those tiny impossible-to-reach spots collecting grime, this is your answer. What makes this set a premium choice? It's the 2024 New Essentials design. Specifically, those stiff, effective bristles that actually tackle hardened dirt and residue in those frustratingly small gaps, unlike flimsy alternatives that just push dirt around. So who needs this? If you're a homeowner who values a truly clean space, or you just hate scrubbing endlessly, this is your pick. And the price? Right now, it's a steal at under $10 for a 3-pack, putting those single overpriced brand name brushes to shame. The verdict? A solid 4.3-star performer that delivers, and at this price, it's an easy buy for anyone serious about cleaning. Alright, product number 4, the Tile Tub Scrubber Brush. This isn't your flimsy dollar store brush. This is a serious bathroom cleaning workhorse. What sets this apart is its triple-function head. It tackles grout lines, flat surfaces, and even those tough corners with ease, unlike those single-purpose scrubbers that just push dirt around. If you're tired of spending ages battling grime and want actual results without scrubbing yourself into oblivion, this is your pick. And the price? You're looking at around $25. Compare that to those fancy, name-brand electric scrubbers that run well over $50 for half the functionality. With a solid 3.8-star rating, this Tile Tub Scrubber Brush is a genuine hidden gem for a clean bathroom. Alright, number 5, and this one's a crowd favorite for a reason, the Holikmi Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. You need to clean your dryer vent. It's a fire hazard and kills your appliance's efficiency. What makes this kit a winner? It's a 2-pack, and crucially, these brushes are designed to work with your vacuum. Forget those flimsy rods that just push lint around. This actually sucks it out. If your dryer is taking forever to dry clothes or you've never cleaned the vent, this is your pick. It's a no-brainer for home safety and appliance longevity. And the price? We're seeing this 2-pack for around $15. Seriously, some single, less effective kits go for double that. With a 4.6-star rating, this Holikmi kit is a smart buy and a definite recommendation. All links are in the description. Check the current prices before they change.